Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever tried bringing a PDF into Figma, you know it isn't always straightforward, and that's exactly what I'm here to help with today. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to seamlessly import a PDF file into Figma. So whether you're working with client assets, sharing presentations, or just trying to get those PDF illustrations into your design workflow, by the end of this video you'll know exactly what to do, and you'll be able to save yourself tons of time and hassle. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first, you're going to want to open up Figma. If you haven't already, just head to figma.com and log into your account. Figma runs right in your browser, so there's nothing extra to install. Think of this like opening up your workspace. It's where all your design magic happens. Once you're in Figma, you'll land on your dashboard, which basically looks like a big hub of all your recent projects and teams. Now, to start the process of bringing in your PDF, you'll want to click the Create button. It might say New File or New Design File depending on the version you're using, but don't worry, they all take you to a fresh, blank canvas. This is your starting sheet, kind of like opening a brand new notebook before you start taking notes. Now comes the key part, importing your PDF. Look towards the top menu or sometimes in the File menu. You'll see an option that says Import. Give that a click. If you don't see it right away, you can also try just dragging and dropping your PDF file directly onto your new Figma canvas. Figma usually recognizes standard PDF files this way as well. It's one of those neat little user-friendly touches that make Figma so flexible. With the import window open, go ahead and find the PDF file you want to bring in. This step is a lot like attaching a file to an email. Just navigate through your computer's folders, click to select your PDF, and then hit Open or Choose. A quick tip here. PDFs with lots of high-res images or many pages might take a little longer to process, so don't worry if you see a loading spinner for a moment. Figma is hard at work converting your PDF into editable elements. And you're done. Once the import finishes, you'll see your PDF pop up on the canvas. From here, you can move, resize, or even break apart the elements depending on your PDF and how it was created. If it's a multi-page PDF, Figma will typically bring each page in as a separate frame. This is super useful because you can now edit or rearrange pages just like you would with standard Figma artboards. A quick thing to keep in mind, not every PDF will import perfectly, especially if it's complex or full of unusual fonts, but for most standard documents this method works like a charm. If you notice something didn't come through right, don't stress. You can always try exporting individual pages as images or copy-pasting sections as needed. And that's really all there is to it. Now you know how to import PDFs right into your Figma workspace, super handy for all kinds of collaboration and design tasks. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you and I'm here to help. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more straightforward design tips and Figma tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy designing.